Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again, starting off the 2-box break with 2010 Limited. We opened 2 boxes of Gridiron, hit a case hit, a 1 of 1. The football's been really good. There's the pack, there's the checklist, and there's the garbage. Okay, I'm going to get a decoy actually for the back. Let's see what kind of... We got 2 thick cards here. Two thick cards. I'm going to move the base to the back and put a decoy in the back. Matthew Stafford for the Lions. All these are at a $4.99 the base, so I won't say it. Lewis Murphy for the Raiders. Archie Manning for the Saints. Tony Moki at a $4.99. And for the 49ers, and Alex Smith. That one's numbered at a 25. 2 out of 25. Alright, first hit will go to the Cardinals. It'll be a Dan Williams Draft 2010 Game Used Jersey, numbered 4 out of 50. Dual jersey. And then the Cardinals, the rich are getting richer. Dez Bryant jersey. That one is numbered out of 99. Dez Bryant for the Cowboys. Dez Bryant. And it's a low-numbered card for the Redskins. Autograph. Washington Redskins, numbered 5 out of 5. eBay 1 of 1 of Chris Cooley. Moniker's autograph, 5 out of 5. Nice card. Chris Cooley, 5 out of 5. All right, 08 Premier time. Nice box of limited there. Nice low-numbered auto. One of the draft day dual jerseys and a regular jersey. There we go. 1 pack remaining. 08 Premier. Football's been really nice. And on the top, there's no base. That's great. There's no base on the top. We already hit a redemption. Numbered at a 275. 275. It's going to be the Redskins. It's going to be one of those rookie autos, quad jersey autos of Devin Thomas. And then next card will be 12 out of 15 for the Cowboys again. Wow. 12 out of 15, Felix Jones, manufactured patch. So Cowboys are having themselves a great break. Nice patch. Numbered at a 65 for the Bears. It's a 1-color jersey and 3-color patch of Bernard Berrien for the Bears. Nice card. Out of 199 for the Bills, rookie autograph of Chris Ellis. Chris Ellis for the Bills, rookie autograph. And then a dual autograph, Steelers and Chiefs. We have a Limas Swede for the Steelers and Jamal Charles for the Chiefs, numbered out of 50. Dual autograph. Got 2 cards left. First card is a triple jersey for the Packers of Brian Braun, numbered out of 65. And final card will be a jersey patch, 2-color patch on the second one, numbered out of 65 for the Vikings, of Jarius Norwood for the Falcons. Jarius Norwood for the Falcons, patch jersey. So that is it for the box of 08 Premier and 2010 Limited. Nice dual auto there. Nice patches. We did hit the redemption, which they will take that, and the Felix Jones out of 15. Thanks for watching. GSN Cards is out.